Have you seen those makeup packs of me? I made the dream. They're a mess. It's so ugly. This hack is not real. This one seems like a good hack. Maybe this one's real. And get ready. So I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do for your eyes on the go. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Sophia, and today we're doing a makeup hack with lipsticks from my makeup drawer. I have never done this before, so this is basically using your lipstick from my makeup drawer for your eyeshadow. Hey guys, we're doing my lipstick from Dior from my exclusive collection. Here you go. This is kind of like my makeup competition from my Kardashians. Here I'm going to use another color from my collection for my outer part of my eye. So guys, we're going to be using my Revlon lipstick for the outer part of my eye. It's actually working really well, so it's very pigmented. Okay, so now we have the outer part of our eye. Now we can do my lid right here. And this one. I look crazy. Alright, this is a good hack and no secret because it helps you look good on the go. So if you're traveling and you don't have your eyeshadow palette, you can always use your lipstick. If you like this video, check out this video.